What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. As y'all can see by the thumbnail today, we checking on Wifey's car, man. I'm just bouncing around with all the car, man. We trying to, it's crunch time, man. We're trying to get this, get everything rolling. Said, man, we're second half of the year, so you know, we got to keep it rolling. So we finna head over here and see what's going on, man. It's evening. Been an action-packed day already. Like I said, a lot got done today, but y'all see that in the other videos and all that, or y'all probably already seen them at this time. So yeah, man, I'm finna hop in the car and take off. Let's get it. All right, y'all, look, we checking in, man. Check this film out, y'all. So he got it off. So you can't really, y'all saw it from the outside, that chrome, but look at it. It's all from the inside. Y'all hear that wind noise, just excuse that wind noise. But look at all that. Man, yeah, that had to come off. That had to come off. All this stuff rested right there. You would have had to cut that out. The metal so bad. Then see on the chrome, you can see that side, but look at all that. It's thin too. So you had to take that off or whatever. What I said. So it rolling along with it. Got the fender on, door off. And I'm gonna change the door. That's what I tell him. He was finna start working on it, but I told him I'm gonna get the door, cause Steve just got one, so I'm gonna buy that door. And that was supposed to be in perfect condition, so we're gonna go ahead and put the door in so it can fit the striker right there and all that. So I'm gonna get that done. Then he about to go back in with this piece, trying to wrap this side up this week, cause they were the worst side of the car. The drive side was the worst side, so been trimming on that a little bit of time down there, then gonna get that one back in, all that. So then this stuff right here, trunk and all that wasn't that bad, but working on the chrome trim too. He done cut the rivets off over there, smoothing it down, then getting it right here straightened out, so you know. And then well, that side straight, but right here, this little stuff I ain't noticed, like this right here, it dented in right there. I don't know how it got dented like that, but you can feel it. I mean, you ain't gonna be able to see it on the video, but it dented in right here. It's a bad spot to have a dent. So it right there, a little area, and a little bit right here too. So you know, it little stuff you gotta take care of. I think this fender right here was straight. But it's crazy, you really can't see. You can't see until you take it off. And then you see on the back side of the fender or whatever, cause you got the inner fender and all that in there. But you really can't tell what's going on. But you know, getting it wrapped up, it wasn't the baddest side. That driver's side was the worst side. So, you know, get that thing wrapped up, then, you know, get it sanded, primed, all that. And shoot, we'll be ready to go back with the paint on it. Then we'll go ahead and get the interior done. Go ahead and get this right here straightened out. We want to do this ASAP. Then get it you know, take it just to make sure you look over everything, fine tune it. Y'all know crate engine ain't got no miles on all that good stuff. But yeah, that crazy though. That right there, man. All that. So you can't even see that stuff called inner fender behind all that on the back side. So you see, show y'all how it look. Chrome right here. You see it right there. But still, until you get out of the car, you can't really tell like the devil is on. yeah, man, that's where we at right now, man. You know, trying to get this thing rolling, get it knocked out, so wife can ride. Cause as soon as it leave here, I'm gonna have to go get this right here. Make sure everything looked over, cause y'all remember the starter wire was popping off. The solenoid making the car cut off. Car run good, but the little wire was just popping off and everything. So, you know, just go over it too. Then fine tune it. Cause I've been saying we still gotta put the fan shroud on, all that good stuff. We got new bezels and you know, we got all this stuff new. Gotta go on there. Tierra grill, well, they on back order. So we couldn't get the Tierra grill, but you know, I'm gonna replace all this for and stuff on down the line, cause you know after we paint it, all this stuff gonna stand out like a sore thumb. So yeah, man, that's where we at. Right here, boom boom. Get that piece back in. So we're gonna roll with it. Get it back, let wifey drive it a little bit, then drop it off, get the interior done. She want the interior done bad. So drop it off, get the interior done. Put the wheels on it. The wheels the easy part. That's why I be telling y'all, like, getting the rims and bolting it up, that easy, man. But we're gonna take it at hard. It still gotta go to Lawless, cause he gotta notch it. When he see notch it, then cause we're gonna put a 12-inch wheel on the back. So when we see notch it, gonna be in the game. So yeah, man. I had to come show y'all this, man. This Monte Carlo update video, all of that. So we'll get back to the house. And see what we're gonna get into, man. I might fire the truck up or something like that with y'all here instead of just getting y'all talking video and all this stuff. So man, y'all stay tuned. We'll catch y'all in a minute. Alright, y'all, we checking back in, man. Y'all see I'm back at the house, man. Tiring day. Super tiring day. But like I said, I've been moving, man. Today, I've been just moving around, like I said, rolling. In the sun all day, giving y'all an update on the Monte Carlo. So within a week, the car should be in primer. So man, which means when you go to the primer stage, you already know it's about to get all of that. So it rolling along, man. It rolling along. Like I said, I'm gonna change the door. We're gonna put a new door on wifey car and all that. I'm gonna get that from Steve. I'm about to hit him up in a minute. Go ahead and get that paid for and all that. Go ahead and just change the whole door, man. Probably gonna change the front nose too, cause he got a good nose and all that. Even better, the molding look better and stuff on it. So probably gonna change the nose and all that. I might just swap it out. See, he want to swap it out, and cause he just selling parts. So, and her nose in good shape too. It's in good shape, and it just saved me from having to change the molding. Cause you can buy molding. Just saved me from having to buy it. So what else? When we get her car back, probably gonna go ahead and tint the windows for now, cause she can drive it, actually enjoy it, you know. So probably gonna do that first. Then I'm gonna go ahead and order the wheels. You know, ain't no telling how long the wheels gonna come, but when they come, then we'll take it over to Lawless, get it C-notched and tub. C-notched and tub, so we can go ahead and mount her car up. But the interior just won't be done, cause man, she gotta drive it. She gotta drive it, man, enjoy it and stuff. So the interior won't be done. It'll be clean on the outside, but the interior won't be done, which is why we're gonna tint the windows for a time being. And then as it get later in the year, then we'll go ahead and get her interior done and all that good stuff. Cause man, her car got to be A1, no steak sauce, man. It's just, it got to be. It got to be A1. And what else? She gotta get her music put in. That music will be put in. She gonna get a deck cut 4.6x9. She been had the 4.6x9s since last year. She love music. Wifey love music, man. So she gonna get that. Hell, she might put some beat in there. Ain't no telling with her. She had some beat. She had a little neon way back, man. She had some beat in there. Old neon thumping. But like I said, she might put some music in. I don't know. I don't really care about music like that. I like it. I done had system. I done pound the block and all that. Some serious junk. So I'm like, I don't even care. I like to go fast. I like to go fast, man. Y'all see what I like to do. All of that. Tomorrow, Summit. I'm going to Summit, man. Pick up the shifter for the old truck. New shifter, man. I bought it 2 days ago. I just ain't picked it up. Go up there and pick it up. Gotta pick up spark plugs for Dolo. I'm gonna pick up 2 sets of just motor spark plugs, man. Put some all motor plugs in it for now, cause I don't know when Jesse gonna open up. But I might check with the doctor. I just thought about it, man. I might check with the doctor. Hey, y'all know, man. That's why I got certain mechanics I work with, man. You know, sometimes one busy, and I go to the next one, this and that. It ain't just jumping from shop to shop. These my actual people. Like, these people I call fam and stuff. And been knowing for some years, so. And I like to show everybody love, man. Like, everybody, it will cost you different. It depends on what you want to do. Depending on where I'm going to recommend you go. It's a number of factors, man. But all of them do good work. You know, certain people, when you putting stuff on the internet, you're going to have people have their opinion on, you should have did it like this, you should have did. Everybody going to do certain stuff different. Not that it's going to matter, be life or death, but, you know, everybody got their preference on how they do stuff. And so sometimes it's only one way that's the right way, and sometimes it ain't when it comes to call it more than one way to be the right way to do stuff. So, you know, so I might check with the doctor, man. Might hit him up and see, cause he a mad scientist when it comes to nitrous and stuff. That man can tune his ass off for real. He the truth, man. He the truth. Like, man, that man. Let me think now. Besides my aunt. Yeah, we've been rocking out of everybody that I rock with, you know, that do work on my cars. Besides my aunt, he's the one been rocking with the longest. Him and Rick, man. We beside my aunt, they the first two in line I've been cool with the longest stuff. And you know, just keep it going, man. So yeah, that's the plan is. Like I said, Big Dolo done did the plugs dirty, man. It needs some new plugs in it. It need them too. So they on the way out. They on the way filing out, boy. That bad boy running on about 5 or 6 cylinders. They on the way out. So I'm gonna change the plugs on, and then we'll be back brand new. Like I said, I running nitrous spark plugs in and stuff, and they done had it. Meat. I had a lot of people hit me about the motor, man. I gotta get back with everybody. And I had a lot of people. I don't know who's gonna be serious or what, but we'll see. But I gotta take meats out the jack stands. Rhythm and blues, man. I might crank up rhythm and blues and drive them, man, one day. I drive that car. When I do drive it, I stay out in it all day. But then when I don't drive it, about 2 weeks go by, I won't even drive it. So I be tossed up. I'm on these two right now, cause you know Dolo like it brand new to me too, cause it was gone 2 months. So, and they both came at the same time. I just bought this. So I be tossed up between these two, man. Both of them gotta go to the dyno. Or both on, ain't nobody did ride racks and gentlemen. It's a whole bunch of stuff, man. I got to get on it. So in the meanwhile too, I'm gonna get the little knick-knack stuff. I'm gonna get one person handling that, window motors and all that, the wiring. Probably get Steve to get back on the wiring. That man a genius with that. And just tighten everything up. I'm gonna go ahead and order some stuff. Cause now I'm on knick-knack stuff. Drivetrain about finished. So I'm gonna hit the doctor up. We're gonna see the doctor. Can the doctor get on Dolo and make it happen. We're gonna get spark plugs for it. I'm gonna change spark plug off camera, obviously. The truck, I'm gonna schedule a dyno appointment for the truck, and then we're gonna go to the track. Then I'm gonna start doing ride racks. Go to the track, get a time, and then gonna be it, man. So we got a lot of videos scheduled, a whole lot of videos scheduled. Trust me. So yeah, man, that's it, man. I appreciate y'all, man. BCG.